let's dive into another side hustle that's not only low risk, but also incredibly scalable. Yes, I'm talking about affiliate marketing. Now, I know you've probably heard the term, but let me tell you that this is one of the most straightforward ways to make money online, especially as a teenager, and you can get started with little to no upfront investment. So, what exactly is affiliate marketing? It's a simple concept. You promote a product or service to your audience, and when someone makes a purchase through your unique link or promo code, you earn a commission. Think of it like this. You're basically connecting companies with customers. The company gets a sale, the customer gets a product they need, and you get paid for making that connection. It's basically a win-win situation for everyone. So why is affiliate marketing perfect for teens? First, low to no investment. You don't need to create your own products, hold inventory, or deal with shipping. Secondly, no experience required. You don't need to be an expert or have a large following to get started. Thirdly, flexibility. You can do it anytime, from anywhere, whether it's during your lunch break, after school, or on the weekend. But of course, it's not all rainbows and dollar signs. There are some cons you need to consider. Slow start. Like most online ventures, affiliate marketing takes time to build. You won't see instant results, and it may take a few months before you start earning consistently. Dependence on traffic. The more people click your links, the more money you make. So, driving traffic to your content is crucial, and that can be challenging at first. Commissions can be low. Some programs, like Amazon Associates, offer low commission rates, as little as 1 to 5%. So you need a lot of sales to make significant money. And let's be real, it's competitive. With so many people getting into affiliate marketing, you have to put in effort to stand out. But if you're consistent and strategic, you can definitely make it work. Also, getting started with affiliate marketing doesn't have to be complicated. Let me break it down. Firstly, pick a niche. First, decide what you want to promote. This could be anything you're passionate about: gaming gear, beauty products, study tools, or even software. Basically, it's what your audience has followed you for in most of the cases. Then, join an affiliate program. Companies like Amazon, ClickBank, and ShareASale offer affiliate programs. All you have to do is sign up, and they'll give you unique affiliate links for products. Thirdly, promote the product. This could be through a blog, YouTube channel, Instagram page, or even TikTok, where you talk about the product, praising it obviously, and share your affiliate link. And when someone clicks your link and buys the product, you earn a percentage of the sale, sometimes as high as 50%, depending on the product and program you're dealing with. The best way is to create content. You can make YouTube videos, write blog posts, or share Instagram stories. The goal is to provide value by reviewing or recommending the products authentically. Yeah, it is actually that simple. And the best part, once the link is out there, it can keep earning you money while you sleep. It's like planting a money tree that keeps growing with each new purchase. All right, now let's talk about one of the most important decisions you'll make in affiliate marketing: choosing a niche. Step 1, start with what you love. Are you into gaming, fitness, tech, or beauty? Choosing a niche you're passionate about makes creating content so much easier. Step 2, think about your audience. What do they need help with? If you already have a social media page or blog, what kind of questions do they ask? Step 3, consider profitability. Some niches naturally perform better than others. For example, software and online courses often have higher commission rates compared to physical products. If you're still stuck, here are a few niches to consider. Study tools, perfect if you're a student and can share first-hand reviews. Productivity tools, perfect if you're a productivity expert and people know you for your efficient time management capability. Health and wellness, from yoga mats to protein shakes, this niche is evergreen, especially if you're a fitness trainer, bodybuilder, health or gym-related content creator. Tech gadgets. Everyone loves a good gadget and commissions can be great. Eco-friendly products. Sustainability is trending and people are willing to pay for it. Choose wisely and remember, your niche should be a mix of passion, audience needs, and profitability. Before you dive in, let's talk about some common beginner mistakes in affiliate marketing and how you can avoid them. Mistake 1, promoting too many products at once. When you recommend everything, your audience trusts nothing. Start with a few products you truly believe in and gradually expand. Mistake 2, ignoring your audience. Don't push products just because they have high commissions. Always think about what your audience needs and whether the product genuinely helps them. Mistake 3, neglecting SEO or good content. If you're using a blog or YouTube, SEO is your best friend. It helps your content reach more people organically. Spend time learning the basics, it's worth it. Mistake 4, not tracking your results. Most affiliate programs offer analytics tools. Use them. Track which links are getting clicks and conversions. It helps you double down on what's working. Mistake 5, giving up too soon. Affiliate marketing takes time. Many people quit because they don't see immediate results. Stay consistent, learn from your mistakes, and keep improving. By avoiding these pitfalls, you'll set yourself up for long-term success. Now, let's take a peek into the crystal ball and talk about the future of affiliate marketing. With the rise of social media and micro-influencers, affiliate marketing is becoming more accessible than ever. You no longer need a professional website to start. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and even WhatsApp are being used to share affiliate links effectively. AI tools are also shaking things up. Imagine using AI to create personalized product recommendations for your audience, or even automating your content creation process. The potential is huge. And let's not forget the shift towards niche marketing. People are looking for hyper-specific recommendations from creators they trust. Whether it's eco-friendly gadgets or productivity tools for students, niches are becoming the backbone of successful affiliate campaigns. Bottom line, the future of affiliate marketing is bright, especially for teens who are tech-savvy and ready to jump in early. Let's tackle some common questions and misconceptions about affiliate marketing. First, do I need a huge following to start affiliate marketing? Nope, that's a myth. While a large audience helps, it's not a requirement. What matters more is having a targeted audience that trusts your recommendations. Even a small, engaged community can drive conversions. Next, affiliate marketing a scam? Not at all. Affiliate marketing is a legitimate business model used by companies worldwide. The key is choosing trustworthy affiliate programs and being transparent with your audience about your partnerships. Next, will I get rich overnight? I hate to break it to you, but affiliate marketing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time, effort, and strategy to build a sustainable income. But once it starts working, it's incredibly rewarding. So, to succeed in affiliate marketing, you need to focus on two things: trust and value. Don't just promote anything for the sake of it. Promote products you've used or genuinely believe in. Your audience will only click your links if they trust your recommendations. And always provide value to your audience. Whether it's a product review, a tutorial, or a comparison, make sure your content helps your audience make informed decisions. That's what makes people click your links and buy the products. And the most important part, be authentic. Your audience can tell when you're promoting something just for the commission versus when you genuinely believe in the product. Building trust is key in affiliate marketing. So, if you're someone who enjoys creating content, whether it's videos, blogs, or social media posts, and you want a way to monetize that content without creating your own products, affiliate marketing is perfect for you. It's also great for anyone who's looking for a low-risk way to earn money online. In a nutshell, affiliate marketing is one of the simplest ways to make money online, especially if you're just starting out. It requires minimal upfront investment, and once you build an audience, it can turn into a reliable stream of income. Whether you have a YouTube channel, an Instagram page, or even just a blog, affiliate marketing allows you to monetize your content and make money by recommending products you love.